Hey friends, people often ask me, what's the best way to get fit? And my answer is always the same. It depends. Saying that you want to get fit is the same as saying you want to play sport. You could be playing chess, you could be surfing, you could be playing soccer. These are very different sports that require very different movements and muscle patterns. So when it comes to fitness, let me break fitness down into 5 different categories. Number one, cardiovascular fitness. This involves anything that gets your heart and lungs moving, like running, jogging, swimming, cycling. Next is resistance training or strength training. That's moving objects through time and space, which includes your body. And this could be very often weight training or calisthenics. Then we have flexibility or mobility work. That's moving the muscles and joints to their full range. So this is where you have practices like stretching, yoga, and so forth. Then we have plyometric or explosive work, and this could be sprints, jump squats, and these kind of exercises. And finally, we have stability work. And stability is all about making sure that your joints are in the right alignment and you're incorporating the correct muscle groups when doing any exercise. Now, while you may not do all components of fitness in the same proportion, what I do advise is that you do a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy weight training, make sure you're doing some flexibility work so you don't get stiff. If you enjoy cardio like running, make sure you do some strength work so you don't get tendon injuries or joint injuries. If you enjoy yoga and you have this great flexibility, make sure you're also doing some strength work to assist you in your practice. I hope this sort of narrows it down for you. If you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with as many people as you feel that needs to hear this message. In the meantime, stay safe, stay strong, stay fit in all its forms and glory.